Quayne here, PhoenixTypewriter.com. Got a Royal Quiet Deluxe at the Tabulator. Well, the tab's sticking. See, it just sticks down. I don't know. So, had to do some investigation. Thought it was going to be, back here where it's sticking like crazy, like that. It just sticks and won't release unless you flip it down here like that. But I don't think that's where it's sticking at, because I started, of course you got to start with the source, the button here, and so I'm checking out the linkage, and right away I see it's binding right down here, and it's hard to see because it's hard to see, but the comb there, I thought it was binding in the comb, but it's binding on this bracket right down here. That turns out to be the spacebar bracket here. That's underneath behind this foot. So I took the foot off and I moved it out of the way, and then I took this bracket off that's here, and I took that out of the way, and then I can see the bracket right there pretty clearly, and the tab is jamming up right next to it right there. So it doesn't really look that bent, but I'm assuming it is. The other side is, well, I looked in there and there's less of this gap on this side. So we're going to try to fix that camera here, and I think this just has to be formed over. Just trying to figure out how to form it over is going to be the tricky part, because there's not an easy way to get this metal bracket bent over. Let's take this bracket off. Okay, well, let's try. Okay, maybe we'll just try taking the T-bender up here. Let's see if I can get in here somehow. Camera and the lights. So I'm going to stick this T-bender on here and give it a twist that way. Wasn't a whole lot. Let's see. That's still hitting the top of that bracket, and it's been doing that a while. I can see these rub marks on here, so it's been that way a while. So I need to get this bracket over a little bit. Don't quite see how that's gonna bend over. Nope, see, doesn't want to give it any clearance there. It's rubbing there pretty good. Well, let's think about this a minute. It's better. It actually does bring back up, so it's pretty close. But it's definitely rubbing there. I'm going to spread the gap here in the comb a little bit too. Give that a little twist. It's rubbing right on that now, but it's not binding. I'm gonna form this a little more. This bender here. Let's see if I can get a proper angle here. There's a little that might be enough. I also moved the comb over that little space. I was able to move that over a little bit to give it a little more clearance. Let's see if it works. Margin set over here. Looks good. Comes right back up. Stop 1, stop 2, stop 3, stop 4. I'm going to leave that and call that a fix. Alright, so you never know what he's binding up at. You just got to start investigating until you figure it out, and then figure it out. Alright, King's Typewriter. Good day.